Did you know that Earth is in such a perfect position that a mere 10% change in the distance from the Sun would result in intense heat, capable of roasting us completely? Similarly, if we were 10% farther away, we would face intense cold, freezing the entire planet. A 10% faster rotation would generate furious winds, reaching speeds of 300 to 400 kilometers per hour. On the other hand, a 10% slower rotation would mean prolonged exposure to the sun, resulting in scorching temperatures of 60 to 80 degrees Celsius during the day and extremely low temperatures of -40 to -50 degrees Celsius at night. The sun's temperature is meticulously balanced to allow for the existence and sustenance of life on planet Earth. The precise rotation of the moon prevents the accumulation of stagnant water and contributes to the stability of the Earth's axis. Furthermore, Jupiter occupies a strategic position as a protective shield against asteroids, meteorites, and comets that would otherwise pose a threat to life on Earth. If Jupiter were 10% closer to the Sun, it would protect Venus. If it were 10% farther away, it would protect Mars.
If you're not following Science X Lab, you're falling behind. But if you are, congratulations, you're evolving, learning, and growing every single day.